Hey guys, I hope all of you are fine and doing well. Friends, this video contains a very beautiful and elegant collection of handmade, hand embroidered designer collection of boatneck dresses or kurti designs. All of these kurti designs could be worn on every day for college going, school going, office going, or any type of everyday wear. All of the designs are easy to make, and the beauty of these designs is that you can use these designs for making liquid embroidery, hand embroidery, machine embroidery, digital or computer embroidery as well. Guys, we try our best on daily basis to share creative, amazing, trendy and beautiful ideas with you. I just request you to do try these patterns and share your experiences with us in the comment section. Comment below that which design you like the most and why. And with this allow me to leave, but friends, you don't go anywhere. Watch the video till end so that you could get all the amazing, trendy and beautiful ideas. And do subscribe my channel for getting more trendy and latest news and more beautiful ideas, and do comment below the video that what you want me to share with you in my new upcoming videos, and what are your choices, what are your interests, and what you want us to improve, or any suggestions or opinions would be welcomed open-heartedly. So thank you so much for watching. You can also subscribe from other devices to increase the number of YouTube friends and family members. With your love and support we could grow. So take care of yourselves. Meet you soon in my new upcoming videos.